living in a castle. Sometimes I feel like lying in the basement. Sometimes I feel like you are my meditation. Sometimes I feel like living in a castle. Sometimes I feel like lying in the basement. Sometimes I feel like bigger than an elephant. Sometimes I'd rather be lighter than smoke. All my life I've been walking, follow me the river. And that river taught me how to watch the things I got around. All my life I've been feeling as it was magic. Now that magic is what is following me all around. When I meditate for me, that's me rest. When I realize for me, that's my test. If I feel something hard, I confess. But I feel so high now, let me rest. When the mirror show me your eyes, what I see is this hope inside. I can feel it, I know where I see fire in your eyes, fire in your eyes, fire in your eyes, fire. What? Fire. Come on, come on. When I meditate for me, I connect. When I do that, it's like feeling myself. Now it's like I got a room in my mind, but I feel so high now. Let me fly, let me fly. When the mirror show me your eyes, what I see is this smoke inside. I can feel it everywhere I see fire in your eyes, fire in your eyes, fire in your eyes. Oh, fire! What? Feel the bass! Yeah, man! Human beings in the mind. What's a man to a king? What's a king to a god? Oh, pieces of what? Pieces of puzzle. And the puzzle I'm talking about is made of the pain that you swallow. Meditation. This is my meditation. 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 Start my meditation. 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 This is my meditation. 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 Don't disturb my meditation. 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 When I feel thirst, don't think about water. Push my soul with a bunch of music I'm in. Shoot my 40 degrees alcohol, I'm in magic tour. Feels so lucky I know to have it next to me. She like a Christmas tree and I'm close inside. That's why I feel myself me. Feeling myself me. It's like saying everything's okay. I'm happy as it is. There's a new way always. A new way to see, a new way to believe. And realize you can when the words against like being the champ you wanna be. When you think about something, there's no things about it too. So try to think about nothing. Your soul knows what to do. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream in the future. Concentrate your eye on the present moment. You never know. Believe there always be something you don't know. Voices inside my head asking me, please make us louder. Please make us what? Please make us louder. Anytime to let your heart beat the bass of your soul pieces inside her. There always be something you I know that teaches the past of the past. She made about pieces of puzzle. Pieces of what? Pieces of puzzle. And the puzzle I'm talking about is made of the pain that you meditation. This is my meditation. 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 Don't disturb my meditation. 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 This is my meditation. 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 Don't disturb my meditation. 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 My meditation. My meditation. My meditation. You're mirror right now. No, I thought you do it. Yeah, I thought you could. So I'ma need a little more time now. Cause I ain't got the money on me right now. And I thought you could. And I thought you could. Talk about me. Would be lost without me. There could have been somebody. That you a different body. I know you're not it. So let's get on with it. We could have been somebody. That you had to tell somebody. I was it all on our first body. Yeah, when you tried your first Molly. It came out of your body. It came out of your body. Running naked and loving. And you were screaming that you love me. Before the alarm lights hold ya. Before the alarm lights hold ya. Here we go like this. We like to stay up. We've been out of steam. No programs around. Here we push like this. When midnight is shit. Never feel the beat going down. We've been fire so you touch it. Get it, move it to my car. And if you ice it, you not doing it right. So try to work your body with it, but they need a little magic. Find out people dance on the other side. And now say, we be dancing on. And now say, we keep losing control. Waiting for that dawn. Waiting for that dawn. Fuck with me. Louis, Luana, Maddie, Jessica, Sky. E poi ci sono io. Grazie! Ciao! Grazie a tutti di cuore, davvero, non me ne vorrei mai andare. Ringrazio a tutti voi lassù. Grazie di cuore di essere venuti. Alla prossima. Grazie di cuore Milano. Ci facciamo un selfone? Ce lo fa Alessio, un applauso a Alessio.